Millions of these colorful little candies are made every single day. But how does a simple sugar shell end up perfectly round, perfectly smooth, and perfectly crunched? Let's find out.
Welcome to the home of M&Ms. Behind these stainless steel walls, we produce millions of our iconic milk chocolate candies every day.
These pods are ready for collection.
Careful with that crate, it's heavy.
It all starts here, deep in the tropics, where the finest cacao is harvested for our milk chocolate.
$38, $39, $40.
We have 50 stacked here.
Noted. $41.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Watch your step there.
Clear the empty one.
Make sure the edges are tight. Grab another stone for this side.
After fermentation, the beans are carefully sun-dried, a crucial step that develops their rich color and flavor.
Lift it higher, just a little bit more. Okay, bring it forward slowly now. All right, it's secure.
Final pallet confirmed.
Okay, driver, clear the bay. Let's seal it up.
Container touchdown confirmed.
All units, move to position. Grid 4 is clear.
The first step is cleaning. Our vibrating screens remove any impurities before the beans move on.
This is the winnowing machine. It separates lighter shells from the dense cacao nibs, which fall into the hopper below.
Here at the factory, we ensure only the finest cacao nibs make it into our milk chocolate.
Adding the soy lecithin now. The viscosity is dropping, ensuring that perfectly smooth texture for the milk chocolate centers.
Made with real milk chocolate. The journey begins as the warm, medium brown liquid is carefully deposited into the molds.
Our state-of-the-art cooling tunnels rapidly set the milk chocolate, monitored closely to ensure perfect consistency every time.
Thousands of our signature milk chocolate discs flow along the conveyor, soon to be coated in their crisp, colorful shells.
Thousands of chocolate centers are gently tumbled, ensuring every piece is perfectly smooth before the colorful shells are added.
The syrup mist ensures every chocolate center gets a perfectly smooth and glossy coat before the color is added.
Inside these drums, we apply up to 10 layers of coating, drying each one with warm air until the shells are perfectly smooth and vibrant.
Every piece meets our rigorous standards. A perfect disc, 13 millimeters across, with a high-gloss finish and the unmistakable
Here in the polishing drum, a fine mist of carnauba wax gives every M&M its signature high-gloss finish. After polishing, the candies flow like a river toward the printers. Our team ensures every piece
Using advanced inkjet technology, we print the iconic on every single chocolate candy at high speed.
made with real milk chocolate and a perfectly smooth, high-gloss shell. You can see the quality in every single piece. Our state-of-the-art UV inspection system verifies the print on every single candy. With real milk chocolate, every candy is a vibrant disc of joy, freshly printed with the
The multi-head weigher precisely measures every serving of M&Ms, ensuring the perfect count every time.
Eating thousands of candies every minute. State-of-the-art system ensures perfect consistency in every single bag.
Here, the team carefully monitors the film levels, ensuring a seamless transition and zero levels, ensuring a seamless transition and zero downtime on the line.
Made with real milk chocolate, every candy is perfectly smooth and glossy just before packaging.
Make sure the temperature stays at 150 degrees for the milk chocolate run.
Make sure the seals are consistent.
Running at optimal temperature.
With thousands of bags, we ensure that every single M&M meets our high-quality standards.
I'm just verifying the lot numbers and ensuring the barcode scans correctly before these M&Ms are shipped out.
From our factory floor to massive warehouses, billions of M&Ms are ready to ship to the world.
This video has been created for educational purpose using AI tools. The script and ideas have been inspired by publicly available information and competitor concepts and have been rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations have been generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing has been done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is for informational purpose only and does not present AI visual as real footage.